Orphans. Imagine their lives as they are faced with endless hardships, including starvation, disease, and insecurity. In some cases, they face total displacement. Orphans experience frightening situations like living on the street, abuse, and lack of fundamental support. The direction some of these orphans are headed in is even more terrifying.
Little girl all alone.
Wafa is an orphan living in poverty. She has diabetes and cannot afford the medication she needs to survive.
12 years old. Why is she all alone? Why is the world just so cold? Why don't we play our part? What is hiding our hearts?
Abdul lives with his family in a household that does not have the basic amenities that we take for granted every day. Muhammad is a 15-year-old. He goes to school like our children, but has no time for leisure because he needs to work 6 hours a day to support his entire family. But their lives are about to change forever.
For the children of the world, welcome to Sounds of Light.
Alhamdulillah, thank God. Through Sounds of Light 2007, almost 850 orphans were sponsored due to your contribution and generosity. Their lives have changed for the better. Here are some of their stories.
$1 million shopping mall. 2 boys play their games.
أنا ابن أبو الدين عثمان ملا محمود طه. بشكر ماما زينات على المصاريف اللي بتقدمها لي عشان أنا بشتري بها الملابس حقات المدرسة والحاجات الحلوة والحاجات وبتفسح منها أنا وأبوي على الدين عثمان. بشكر هيئة الأعمال الخيرية مركز عبد القادر البنا على المناشد اللي قدموها لي عشان أنا ماشي المركز عشان أتعلم كمبيوتر وعشان عندهم رحلة سمحة.
Families come to play.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أنا اسمي ملك محمد الهندي من مدينة طرابلس من لبنان. بحب أشكر كتير هيئة الأعمال الخيرية اللي عرفتنا على أستاذ بشير خان اللي ساعدني على شراء الثياب والألعاب. بشكر كتير.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أنا ملك هندي. بشكر كثير هيئة الأعمال الخيرية اللي عرفتني على الأستاذ بشير خان. يا الله يعطيه الصحة والعافية ويعطيه طولة العمر. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
What is hiding our hearts? Why is the world just so cold? She was just standing there.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أنا علي فتح الدويش من الأردن الصف الثالث الأساسي معدل 84. الكافل الدكتور عبد الرحمن حفظه الله. أشكرك على المساعدات الكريمة.
Why is she all alone? She was just standing there, girl, all alone. Barely just 12 years old. What is happening?
Unë jam Kaltrina Shemse Bulliqe, jetoj në fshatin Luka të komunës Podujevë, jetoj me nënën, 3 motra dhe 1 vëlla. E falenderoj shoqatën
HOI falenderoj gjithashtu donatorin Lugan në furniture me të holla që ai më dhuron. Unë blej veshmbatje, shkollona, blej librat, fleturet. Kjo është nëna ime, gjithashtu kjo është mostra.
Unë ju falenderoj juve, Allah ju shpërbletësin e unë në të tuve, e vazhën në zakën që kanë ndëna, dhe ju falenderoj që në Allah ju shpërbletësin e unë.
أنا كاتم محمد علي عبواتي. أحب أشكر للأم الحنونة شاكرة خان هيئة الأعمال الخيرية كتير لمساعدتها وفرحت فيها كتير.
Why's the world just so cold? She was just standing there.
With your support, we are confident that Sounds of Light 2008 will be another safe haven to many more orphan and needy children. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Paradise is assured to whoever cares for an orphan, providing him or her with food and drink, until he or she grows up and becomes independent."
Why is she all alone? Why is she